Hello and welcome. This is Nikhil Raj, course director for tutormash.com. In this session, I'm going to demonstrate you how to update a project using steps. So what is an activity step? According to Primavera, activity steps provide a way to break activities down into smaller units and track the completion of those units. And weighted step means weighted steps enable you to track the progress of an activity based on the number of steps completed. When you mark the activity percent complete based on activity steps checkbox in the calculation tab in the projects window and choose physical as the activities percentage complete type in the general tab in the activity window. Activity percentage complete is updated based on the weight you assign to each activity step. And step template means it enables you to define a group of steps common to multiple activities, then assign the templates to activities. Here there is an example to make you understand what is this step. Let's assume that there is a activity called as ground floor roof slab that is of 15 days. To complete this activity in 15 days, I have divided this activity into 6 sub activities, that is shuttering. I have given 20%, means you can call 20% as step weight or step weight percentage, because to complete this activity in 15 days 20% means shuttering activity and reinforcement is again 20%. That means if you complete reinforcement, 20% of your activity has completed. Electrical and plumbing works comprise of 13.3%, beam outer shuttering is of 20%, concreting is of 6.6% and de-shuttering makes 20%. That means when you complete these sub activities, then your entire ground floor roof slab will be completed in 15 days. So what is steps? These are step, and the value 20, 13.3, 6.66 you can call as step weight. Now we will see how to do this in Primavera. Here you can see a sample project steps, and the start date of this project is 1st February 16 and it is following 8 hour into 7 days calendar. Before you update a project using steps, you need to select the project, go to calculations and check this box. Activity percent complete is based on activity steps. After that you can open the project. So I'm going to create a simple activity that is same as I shown in the example, that is ground floor roof slab 15 days. Press add. Ground floor roof slab that is of 15 days, and you can schedule it. You can see this activity will start on 1st February and finish by 15 February. And go to general tab, change the percentage complete type from duration to physical, and go to status. You can see now the project will be updated based on physical percentage. Also you can add these 3 column: duration percentage complete, physical percentage complete and unit percentage complete. Now we will see what happened to the project on its 5th day, or let's assume on its 6th day what happened. On 6th day you have completed some of the activities, right? So that particular activities will be added as steps, that is shuttering, reinforcement, electrical and plumbing, beam outer shuttering, concreting and de-shuttering. These are the sub activities of the main activity ground floor roof slab. So this activity will be added as steps and we will see how to do it. Select the activity, go to steps. Here you can see the step window, step name, percentage complete, weight percentage and completed. If you don't have this column, right click, go to customize steps column, press this button and press OK. So here it is very easy. So what are the sub activities? Shuttering, and again press add, reinforcement, electrical and plumbing, beam outer shuttering, add concreting and de-shuttering. Right, so these are the sub activities. After adding sub activities, you need to give the step weight. Right, so what is the step weight of shuttering? It is 20%, but you have to enter 20. And 13.33, beam outer shuttering is 20 again, concreting is 6.66, de-shuttering is again 20. So you can see the step weight percentage will be automatically calculated based on the step weight. So this is the one way that you can add sub activities. If there is one more activity, let's assume there is one more activity called as first floor roof slab. Again, you need to go to steps and press add. Instead of doing this again and again, you can add a template. That is more easier. I will show you how to add template. To add template, you need to go to enterprise, go to activity step template. In this window, you need to create a template. Let's press add and add the template name as slab completion activity steps, and select the activity. Come here and add the sub activities. So there are 6 sub activities: shuttering, reinforcement, electrical and plumbing, beam outer shuttering, concreting, de-shuttering. Right, and you need to give the step weight. So it is 20%, 20%, 13.33%. Beam outer shuttering is again 20%. Concreting is 6.66%, and de-shuttering is again 20%. After adding the template, you can just close it and select the activity first floor roof slab. Come to steps tab and click add from template, and you can simply press the template activity steps. You can see the entire steps will be added automatically. So you can straight away add steps from here, or you can add from template. These are the 2 steps. And there is one more way. Let's say for this activity second floor roof slab, you can straight away add the steps, and you can convert these steps to template. For example, A, B, C, D, E. If you want to convert this as a template, you can select all. It is right click and you can select create template, right? And you can give the template name new steps template. Now go to enterprise activity step templates. You can see a new template is added automatically that contains 5 sub activity steps, right? So hope you understand how to convert the steps to a template. So these are the 3 methods, right? Now let's go back to the ground floor roof slab activity. You can see these are the steps, sub activities contained in it, and after doing all this thing, you can just select a baseline, add a baseline, then assign a baseline, press OK. After that, you can update the project. It's very easy now. You can just select the activity, just press completed. If shuttering is completed, check completed. When you check this box, you can see that particular step weight percentage will be added to physical percentage complete. After that, you can go to status. You can see physical status. You can see physical percentage complete, and if the activity is started, you can press started and you can schedule. Let's say we are scheduling it on the 6th day, that is Saturday, 5 p.m. and schedule. So I hope you understood how to create steps in activities and updating project using steps. It's very easy. Create an activity, go to the general tab, change the percentage complete type to physical, go to steps tab, create the steps. Directly you can create or you can create from template and just check this box. So the physical percentage will be added automatically. After that you can reschedule the project. So hope you understood the session, and if you have more doubts you can ping me on WhatsApp, and thanks for watching.